What we have here is a restored frame and engine for the 1966 Corvette. There it shows you what we have here. Engine's been rebuilt, 2-speed power glide. You don't get to see this every day. It's an interesting display here at Black Diamond. Notice the blue sidewall tires. And the perimeter frame. This sure is the way to do it if you have the money to do this kind of restoration. It's interesting when we get to the other side of the gas tank. You're going to see stamping. Here, of course, is the filler for the gas tank right on top. Dual exhausts, of course. St. Louis, Missouri. And that's where this car was originally assembled.